we're going to take a quick look at 7200 Canary. This is what some foreclosure properties look like, so they're definitely not move-in ready. Need a lot of tender love and care. Here is a little bit of the neighborhood. It has a homeowners association fee of about $80 a month. They maintenance most of the front common areas, and you get to maintain the rest. We're going to take a look inside. We're going to go in the walkway. To the right is our kitchen. We have a little dining area room. Flooring definitely needs to be redone. Here's the kitchen. The outside patio area. We got lots of cabinets. Take a look in the garage. It's a two-car garage. Can't really see a whole lot. Does need some work. Little closet area. There's a skylight when you walk in. Here is the living area. Baby. Fireplace. Outside to the front yard. Beam. Ceiling fan. This one is 3 bedrooms. So in here we have the master. No, this is not the master. We have the 2 bedrooms over here. We have this bedroom. Closet area. Vents in the ceiling. Light. Another closet. Second bathroom. Guest bathroom. We have this room. The closet area. We're going to go back into the master bedroom. And outside over there, access. They added a fan. We have the master bathroom. Double sinks. A lot of little touch-ups need to be done, but you got a nice big walk-in closet. So let's go ahead and take a look in the backyard. Alright, this concludes our tour of 7200 Canary.